tell you that I love you.
Hi there, welcome to my drawing channel here on YouTube. I am in the middle of filming a multiple part series on drawing whimsical women of the world. And I wanted to kind of scooch in here between weeks 11 and 12 because there's been a lot of questions that I've been getting about using alcohol markers, specifically good alternatives to Copics, because Copics are super expensive. Part of the reason I'm time-lapsing the coloring portion of my YouTube versions of these women drawing exercises is that I don't want anyone to think that they have to use Copics, because I know that they're super expensive. I was teaching full-time professionally for about 5 years before I started my own Copic collection. So, and it was because it was cost prohibitive. So I have promised my students, I have those who follow me on YouTube, and I also have a large following at my online art school, which is called Awesome Art School, and it's online. And I have promised my online folks that I would do a alcohol marker color comparison. Now, what my students have been specifically asking for is, so for example, I would say, okay, for this layer, I'm using E30 in Copics. What color in Ohuhu is that? Unfortunately, it's not quite as cookie cutter black and white as that, because every brand of alcohol marker also has their own colors. So it's not quite like tit for tat, one for one. So I've been trying to kind of come up with a way, however, so that we can kind of have a rough equivalence. So this is what we're gonna do. Okay, so I am using Copics for all of my drawings. And like I said, I don't expect anyone else to do the same. So what I'm gonna do is I have collected and bought myself, this is not sponsored video, all of the Ohuhu 36 skin tone colors, as well as the Arteza 36 skin tone colors. And what I wanna do is create kind of like 3 master charts. So one for light skin tones, one for medium skin tones, and one for dark skin tones, and then have those differentiated between each brand. And then what we can do is kind of go one step further, and within the light categories, we can do like yellow-based, peach-based, and brown-based, and kind of do that for 1, 2, and 3 as well. And I think that way we should, and maybe pink base. I'm actually gonna do it like here right now, so you can kind of watch me sort this out. I'll time lapse it, or otherwise I'm sure you have better things to do. But if you wanna see my process, you certainly can. And then that way you can be like, okay, Karen is using an EOO that's on this sheet, right? Sheet 1. And so I know it's light skin tone, and EOO is in the peach category. So I'll grab my Ohuhu that's from the peach light skin category. Does that make sense? So they're not gonna be exact, but I think they'll be close enough where you can grab something that's roughly equivalent. And for my OCD students who are like, oh my God, roughly equivalent, that's like, it has to be exact. It's just not gonna be exact. However, please don't panic, because if you think about it, every reference looks different on everyone's monitor. I print out my references, my printer is crap, and so my colors look terrible, and they're not the same colors that are on my computer. So your references on your computer are gonna look different than yours on your iPad, which look different than yours out of your printer as well. So if you really stop to think about it, does it matter if we are kind of close? It totally doesn't matter. This is about as good as we're gonna get, okay? So I don't want you to panic that your EOO Ohuhu is not the same as my EOO Copics. It doesn't matter. It really, truly doesn't matter. No one is like putting any of them side by side. There's no side by side comparison, so no one will know if yours is more yellow and mine is more orange. Like, who cares? It's all good. So I think being able to choose roughly from the color family, like light, medium, dark, and then what kind of base color is that will be super awesome reference for you guys to go on. I am providing this in a free PDF download for you, so you can grab this. Just let me know in the comments below if you would like this. I will drop you a link. You can put your email address in and you send it to me. It'll get sent right to you. That way you don't need to tell me what your email address is here on YouTube. So it's a super, I do this for a ton of videos. It's a great way to handle everything. I will be publishing a book on this as well. The Whimsical Women of the World is a book that will be coming out published, and this color will be a thing that we're creating today will be in there. And also I'm going to be creating a little skin tone marker pocket guide, which will be published as well. So this hopefully will tide everyone over until those are ready. And this obviously is cool because it's free. So I hope this helps. I hope this makes sense to you. I'm going to have a marker laying out everywhere party. I will share my process with you if you're nothing going on with today and you want to hang out, listen to some music and watch me sort. But hopefully this makes sense and it makes your life easy and it helps you to create no matter which markers you have. These are the Arteza and the Ohuhus are a great value, just in case you're not familiar with these. The reason I like Ohuhus is they have the same roughly equivalent brush nib as the Copics do. And the reason I like Arteza is because they have 36 colors and Ohuhu has 36 colors as well. So it's nice they give us the biggest number of Copic alternatives just in the skin tone department than any other brand that I am personally aware of. And there are a lot of brands of alcohol markers. So I hope that helps. And just one word about the Illustrator Spectrum Noir. I bought these thinking that I was going to, I've had this set before. I bought a brand new set to swatch and include in this little thing that we got going on today. But all of the markers in here were super dried out, like every one. I think I might have just gotten a bad batch, but and they also only come in 12 colors. So I'm super sorry for my Spectrum Noir fans. I am also a fan and I own, that's what I used before I started collecting Copic. So I do like that brand. I'm not knocking them, but I'm not gonna be including them because I already spent $30 on a brand new set and I'm super dissatisfied with that. So, sorry, Spectrum Noir. Okay, so without further ado, I'm getting out my markers and I will be swatching and I will be sorting and I will have this all available by the end of the video and by the time you watch this video so you can grab that download. All right, let's get this organized once and for all.
You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna tell you that I need you. I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch. That's how much I'm gonna
All right,
tell you.
so I just spent, oh my God, that actually took me hours. Oof, I am never doing that again. Okay, so I did it by category. As you can see, we have light base pinks. We have beige, brown base lights. I'm gonna clean this up, scan it all in my computer. I make it all pretty, but I just wanna show you the fruits of my labor. We have peach base tones, we have yellow, we have mid-tone brown base, we have light medium peach base, we have yellow, and I finally just did the whole spectrum. Ohuhu really likes their yellow colors. And we have midtones for the peach / orangey flavors, mid-dark tones. mid-dark tones. This is red based and this is neutral brown base. Yeah, that literally just took me hours. That took me 2 seconds to show you, but that was holy Moses. Look at my mess. Just marker craziness. So by the time this video is posted, these will be all together in a PDF for you. I hope that helps. Book is forthcoming as well, and I will see you next week for another episode 12 in the Whimsical Women of the World series. Have a great week.
That